I'm preparing now my Chijioke again mushroom and barley soup, but this time, well, I finally got my red carrots again, okay? And of course, when you look in here, you're gonna see I'm preparing my mushroom and barley soup. Look at that. Look at that. I've got some chicken in there. The mushroom, the barley is in there already with some white peas, and the potatoes are there cooking. So it's been doing for about an hour now, and just added some spices and a little bit of soya sauce. So let's see what's up and what's going on. All right, now I'll soon have to add these carrots to the stew, and then I'll be off to get ready the mushrooms, and then I will finally add my broccoli. Oh, I forget to let you know, when you look in here, you see those yellow things, there are some butternut squash. All right, I bought a whole butternut squash, so buy everything today and cook it all today. Wow. Okay, I just added the red carrots. See, they're here. Now stir it up, and now I'll prepare my mushrooms. And now I will decide now to, well, not, and now I will start to prepare the mushrooms. One is white mushrooms. You notice I got two sets of the white mushrooms. One is already cut up, pre-cut, and the other one I have to cut it up myself. That's that one. And I also have to add this other mushroom, which is a dark mushroom. It's good to have the dark ones, the brown ones, and the white ones. I think it brings out the flavor in this mushroom and barley soup much. And then I will get ready to add the broccoli at the later state. Okay, I just want to show you, this is the broccoli here. Yeah, I've got it here, so I'll just remove it and then remove the plastic, and after that, that'll be the last stage for my Chijioke mushroom and barley soup. Wow. The pre-cut mushrooms. Yeah, but I also have some more, which are the ones I have to cut up now. Here are the ones I have to cut. These are the white mushrooms, so you have to cut them in halves too. So I could have bought them all, all cut in half already, but sometimes you gotta see, you like to do everything as manual as possible, So the reason I bought the cut ones is because actually when I bought them, it's like half the price, which I thought. But anyways, this one is the large size for this there. And if I bought two of them, then I have to cut up all of them. So it works a little bit because half is cut and half is not cut. But this is the other one. So I'll cut them up and then add them to the rest. So here they all cut up now. And now I'm going to add them to the rest of them. Hopefully I can add them with one hand while I'm recording. Yep, look at that. Look at that. See how many mushrooms I put? My goodness, look. Look at that. All right, there we go. Yep. Here, you see, you still have to wash them too, So, but it saved me some time because I didn't have to pre-cut a lot of them. So now I just have them here, and now I'm washing them up, and then I'm going to put them in the pot. And into the pot they go. The last but not least will be the broccoli. So it's like I'll wait for 10 minutes before they come to a boil, and then I'll add the broccoli, and then wait for 10 more minutes, and then the soup is done. Yeah, so I've got everything here except the broccoli. So you can see some red. See those are the carrots and everything here. Look at that. Just mix it up. We come up to the top. Look at that. The yellow is the butternut squash. Oh yeah, I did put a little bit of beef, because because I like to get it a nice flavor. Hopefully I get right down to the, we call it a real Chijioke Mushroom Barley Soup. But I think I got it down pretty pat. Now I will add the tomatoes. And lastly, the broccoli. Tomatoes in. And now broccoli in. And now I have added the broccoli. So here we go. Look at that. See? So 10 minutes with the broccoli, because some people don't like the broccoli if it looks brown. They think it's old or something. So I put it in 10 minutes before the time just to let it get simmering to the food. Alright, so 10 minutes I'm ready to eat. Oh, here we go. Chijioke's Mushroom and Barley Soup. And it has chicken in there because I don't use chicken broth. Also, I put some beef, stewing beef, because I want to give it a nice flavor, and some spices, and I put some butter squash, tomato, red carrots, white beans, and the Chijioke's barley and the mushroom. So I'll be having a feast.